Hello, Mr. E. How are you doing? So, your dad told me a while back that you wanted a gem collection, and you're lucky to have me as uncle because I am the person who can provide it for you. Sorry it took a little bit longer than I would have hoped. So, these are labeled. If I just gave this to you with no other info, it wouldn't be nearly as fun. So, I'm going to tell you about what's here. They are all labeled. There is still more information that you need to add to these to complete the cataloging of them. So, on the top row, I have quartz, and I have two kinds of quartz. I have monocrystalline quartz, which is this amethyst is monocrystalline quartz. This ametrine is monocrystalline quartz, and this citrine is a monocrystalline quartz. That means that what we've cut this from is a single crystal of quartz, whether it's amethyst, ametrine, citrine, that came from the ground. These three over here are types of agate, and that's microcrystalline quartz. What that is tiny little quartz crystals that all form together to give us a gem that we then cut. So this is carnelian, this is onyx, and this is fire agate from Mexico. Very cool. You're not really seeing all the fun of it on the video, but it has flash and fire to it. So the next row, I have some beryl, and these are all from the beryl family. And the stones that I have here from the beryl family, I have an emerald from Zambia. I have some emeralds that were your Jiddu's, your grandfather's. These are rough emeralds from Brazil. I have here a beautiful, beautiful yellow heliodor. This is a cabochon, aquamarine from Pakistan. And over here we have some morganite. They are absolutely lovely. There's some other stones here I'm going to get to in a minute. Next row, we have tourmaline. All of these tourmaline are from Brazil. Your grandfather actually sold a lot of tourmaline over the years. And we have some blue tourmaline. This is indicolite tourmaline, yellow or golden tourmaline. We have some bicolor tourmaline, sometimes called watermelon tourmaline, green tourmaline. I gave a bunch of different pieces because there's a whole lot of different colors. So this gives you an idea of the color range. And here we have some pink tourmaline. The redder colors are often called rubellite tourmaline. And now these bottom two, these are the last that are from the same family. And these are spinel. This is a Jedi spinel crystal from Burma. It's called Jedi spinel because it's super red. It also glows in black light. This is black spinel that's been cut. This was actually machine cut by a colleague of mine in Oberstein, Germany. So, which is the seat of cutting, of modern day cutting. Lapis lazuli here from Afghanistan. A beautiful opal here from Ethiopia. This is a black star diopside. You need a torch or a flashlight to show the star in there. Over here we have a rhodolite garnet, small stone, a little bit of a purple color to it. Fine rhodolite can become very purple. This just has a little bit of purple to it. Up here we have some rubies. These are marquise cut rubies. And then up here, last but not least, this is some rainbow moonstone. Rainbow moonstone is feldspar. And these rainbow moonstone in particular, you can see they have a glow to them. These are from India. Some of the best material comes from Sri Lanka and can get just crazy, out of this world expensive. These are beautiful stones. I've loved them for, my entire life that I've been in the business. People are only really starting to enjoy them and appreciate them and use them in things like engagement rings now. So I'm also giving you some sheets with more labels on them. So you'll see these all have labels on them, right? Tourmaline, green, from Brazil, note, range of colors. So something else you can do here is, what are the cuts of the stone? So for example, these are cabochon cuts and the shape is oval. Then we have faceted stone. So that's something you can put on a label. You can put cabochon oval. Now, this is a Heliodor, which is yellow beryl, and this is from Madagascar. You can see that this is a faceted stone, and this is a very good example of what's called a step cut gem. So the facets on the gem are steps on it, and there's not as many facets on it. When we have a clean gem, step cut's a beautiful cut for it, because it actually shows off how clean it is, and you can see how clean the gem is, and you can really get a beautiful color out of it. As one client of mine said, I love them because they look expensive. And then, just to give you another idea of what there is to, put labels. So like I said, on this, you could put, faceted step cut if you want. And there's some other things too to note about them. These Morganite, which are also beryl, these are from Madagascar. And you can see these are faceted, and these are brilliant cut. And I can show you in person a little bit better. Let's see if I look at my face. Yeah, they come in better. And you can see both across the top and on the back, right? You can see a bit in the box. These have a lot of facets on it, and they're called brilliant cut. And both the crown on the top and the pavilion on the back have this brilliant cut. So these are called, faceted brilliant cut. Now, somewhere in here we may have, and I don't know if I found any. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Oh, we do. This is a ametrine from Bolivia. It's a single source gem, only comes from Bolivia. It only comes from the Anahi mine in Bolivia. And you can see that it's both yellow and purple. And this is what's called, it's faceted, and it's a mixed cut. So I'm gonna take it out to show you. Now you can see on the top of the gem, I'm gonna hide my face again. You see it's a brilliant cut, lots of facets, right? It's a brilliant cut. But then at the back, it is, and I hope you can really see this, it is step cut. And there you go. So you see the steps at the back, and it's step cut at the back. So this is faceted mixed cut. And you could put on your sheet on here, right? Faceted mixed cut, crown, brilliant, pavilion, pavilion, step cut. So there's still a lot for you to do. You can also put what the chemical composition is of them. You can also put what the impurities, what the elemental impurities are that give each gem a different color. There's a lot for you to learn. This is just a start. This is barely scratching the surface. There's so many gems I left out. So yeah, good luck to you with your gem collecting. This is going to be a great start for you. And I really look forward to seeing all the other gems that you collect and how you catalog all of this. Love you so much. Happy birthday, even if it's a late birthday.